What's up guys, Shane Stars here. After spending a few months with the OnePlus 10T, there are so many things that I love about this phone and very few things that I don't like about this phone. This could very well be the best budget flagship of 2022. Let's go ahead and get started. This video is sponsored by Harry's. Like many of you out there, I do my very best to keep a clean shaven baby face. I just think it looks the most professional and it's the look that my wife prefers. Over the years, I have used an electric razor, but I just don't get that close, comfortable, smooth shave that I get from a premium German manufactured Harry's blade. I've also been saving tons of money with Harry's because their blades are actually affordable. One thing that really stands out here, not only do you get 5 blades, but you also get a precision blade for trimming up your sideburns and other hard to reach places. Their shaving gel is also suitable for sensitive skin with ingredients like aloe and hyaluronic acid. In your starter set, you'll get a 5-blade razor, weighted handle, a blade cover, and their foaming shave gel. Harry's was also generous enough to extend an exclusive offer to subscribers of this channel. You can get your starter kit for only $5 when you use my link in the description below. Just go to harrys.com/Shane to save big on your Harry's starter kit. The first thing that I really love about this phone is the price tag. So the OnePlus 10T comes in at a very reasonable $649 for the 128GB version. This phone is most comparable to other phones on the market like the Galaxy S22 Plus, which is priced just under $1,000. So whenever you compare apples to apples, this is a very good value on the OnePlus 10T. Even if you compare this to a phone like the Pixel 7, I feel like you still get a better deal paying the additional $50 with the features like the super fast charging, the higher refresh rate on the display, and there's so many reasons why you may consider the OnePlus 10T the better overall value when it comes to flagships on the market. While I talk about the rest of the features that I love about the OnePlus 10T, I will be considering the $649 price tag. Another thing that really stood out about the OnePlus 10T was the incredible battery life. So it comes with a 4,800 milliamp hour battery, and I'm easily able to get through an entire day's use, and that's power use, on this phone and still have plenty of battery left to get me through the evening. I'm usually seeing about 30% left on my phone when I plug it up at the end of the day. That translates to 6 to 8 hours of screen on time, depending on what I'm doing. But in my experience, the battery life here has even bested the Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you are somehow able to fully drain this battery before the day's over, then you're really gonna love my favorite feature of the OnePlus 10T. That's the 150 watt charging. Not only does it actually come with a charge brick in the box, but it comes with a premium 160 watt Super VOOC charger. This can charge your phone from 0 to 84% in just 15 minutes or a full 0 to 100% charge in only 20 minutes. Fast charging historically has meant degradation to your phone's battery, but OnePlus says that you can get up to 1,600 charge cycles, or you can charge your phone every single day of the year for 4 years and still be at 80% battery capacity. This phone is also super powerful with an included Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. That's a more powerful processor than the one featured in the OnePlus 10 Pro. OnePlus has always put out some of the fastest phones in my opinion, and the OnePlus 10T is no different here. Even after several months of use, I haven't noticed any slowdowns or lags with this phone. It's only gotten better with time. This phone handles all of the video games that I enjoy like a champ, and scrolling through Twitter with that 120 Hz display is super fast and snappy. Speaking of refresh rate, I really am enjoying the display on the OnePlus 10T. This does come with a 6.7-inch Full HD display with 120 Hz refresh rate. That can be dialed down to either 90 Hz or 60 Hz to save battery life. It would have been nice to have the adaptive refresh rate like some other phones. The Galaxy S22 Plus is able to go from 120 Hz all the way down to 1 Hz to smartly save battery life. If you do need to save battery life in a pinch, you can dial back your refresh rate to 90 Hz or 60 Hz. So the feature's there, but it would have been nice to see that adaptive. Also, it would have been nice to see this screen a little bit brighter. It gets up to 750 nits. The Galaxy S22 Ultra that I'm used to gets up to 1,750 nits, but this is still plenty bright for indoor use, and I'm still able to see most of what I need outside as long as I have the brightness turned all the way up. Other than that, colors are super vibrant with this display, and watching content through Netflix and other applications has been very enjoyable. This phone features a 50 megapixel main shooter, 8 megapixel ultra wide lens, and a 2 megapixel macro lens. I would prefer to see a better telephoto zoom lens here, and overall the camera is probably the weakest part of this phone, which is to be expected at the $649 price tag. If your main concern with a phone is the camera, and that's really all you care about, you may want to go with that $599 Pixel 7. The camera can still hold its own against other phones on the market like the Galaxy S22, but even the OnePlus 10 Pro has better camera performance. The cameras here definitely are usable, and you're still going to be able to take shots that you can share on social media, but you're definitely not going to be doing any pro level photography with this phone. A few other things that I really did love about the OnePlus 10T was the very fast and accurate in-display fingerprint scanner. Also really love the stereo speakers, which allow you to feel really immersed in the music or video that you're watching and sound really great overall. There was also another really neat feature where you could add RAM. So mine came with 16 gigabytes of RAM, but you can upgrade that another 7 gigabytes of RAM using the included storage on the phone. I love that feature. I really do wish that this would have had wireless charging, a telephoto lens, and adaptive refresh rate. But with the screaming performance, great battery life, and fastest charging that I've ever seen on a phone, this is definitely one of the phones to consider at the price range for 2022. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.